P7.
That's me.
Hi, my name is Andrew. I'll be conducting your interview today. How are you doing?
Hello, officer. I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. Please follow me.
Sure.
Can I have your appointment letter, green card, and ID, please?
Here you go.
Now, I need to place you under oath before we start the interview. Please remain standing and raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Now, you can have a seat.
Thank you, officer.
Please tell me your current legal name.
Nisha Verma.
Have you been waiting a long time to talk to me?
No, I've just been waiting for about 30 minutes.
Did anyone come with you today?
Yes, my husband came with me. He is waiting outside.
Do you feel worried about this interview?
No.
Well, can you tell me why you want to be an American citizen?
I want to vote in the next election.
Good. How are you eligible to become a US citizen?
I have been married to a US citizen, and I have had a green card for over 3 years.
How did you get your green card?
I got my green card through my marriage. My husband sponsored me.
When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
I became a lawful permanent resident on August 24th, 2022.
During the Cold War, what was the main concern of the United States?
Communism.
Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the states?
Give a driver's license.
Why does the flag have 13 stripes?
Because there were 13 original colonies.
What's your given name?
My given name is Nisha.
How do you spell your first name?
Nisha.
Do you have a middle name?
No, I don't have a middle name.
Have you used any other names since birth?
No.
Who was president during World War I?
Woodrow Wilson.
What are two rights of everyone living in the United States?
Freedom of speech, freedom of religion.
Okay. Have you ever registered to vote or voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No.
Do you always pay your taxes on time?
Yes.
Do you have your tax transcripts for the past 3 years?
Yes, here you go.
Well, please verify your social security number.
856-47-2577.
Do you want the Social Security Administration to issue you an original or replacement Social Security card and update your immigration status with the SSA if and when you are naturalized?
Yes, I do.
Was one of your parents, including adoptive parents, a US citizen before your 18th birthday?
No, officer.
What is your date of birth?
March 3rd, 1996.
Where were you born?
I was born in India.
Are you still a citizen of that country?
Yes, I am.
What is the best number to reach you?
772-257-9274.
Are you Hispanic or Latino?
No, I am not Hispanic or Latino.
What is your race?
I am Asian.
How tall are you?
I'm 5 feet 6 inches.
What is your weight?
I'm 39 pounds.
Okay. Name 2 national US holidays.
New Year's Day, Christmas.
Great! You passed the civics test. Let's do the English reading and writing test now. Can you read this sentence on the tablet for me? Good. Now, I'm going to read you a sentence. Please write the sentence down on the tablet for me. Lincoln was the president during the Civil War. Lincoln was the president during the Civil War. Excellent! You passed the English reading and writing test too. Now, I will continue to review your N400 application right now. Where do you currently live?
1411 Cross Bay Boulevard, Broad Channel, New York, 11693.
How long have you been living there?
About 6 months.
Has your address changed since you've submitted your application form?
No.
Where did you live before?
2307 Watervale Road, Fallston, Maryland, 21047.
Is your current physical address also your current mailing address?
Yes, officer.
Okay. Are you currently working?
Yes, I am.
What do you do?
I am a bilingual office staff.
Who do you work for?
Preferred Home Care, New York.
How long have you been working there?
About 3 years.
What date have you worked there?
October 14th, 2022 until now.
All right. Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer for any reason?
No.
Define arrested for me, please.
Handcuffed by the police.
Have you ever claimed to be a US citizen in writing or any other way?
No.
Have you ever helped anyone to enter or try to enter the United States illegally?
No.
Good. Have you spent any time outside of the United States for the past 5 years?
Yes, I have.
How many trips have you taken in the past 5 years?
3 trips.
When was the last trip outside of the United States?
In 2025, I went back to India about 3 weeks.
Do you remember the date you left and returned on that trip?
I left the US on January 15th, 2025, and I came back on February 7th, 2025.
What was the purpose of this trip?
I visited my parents and relatives.
All right. Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
How many times have you been married?
Only one time.
What's your husband's name?
His name is Mike Lee.
Is he a US citizen?
Yes, he is a US citizen.
What's his date of birth?
March 21st, 1989.
What is your spouse's current job?
He is an electrical engineer.
How many times has your current spouse been married?
One time.
What date did your current spouse become a US citizen?
July 3rd, 2019.
What country is your spouse from?
He is from Canada.
Where did you get married?
I got married in Canada.
When did you get married?
I got married on June 12th, 2021.
Did you bring your marriage certificate today?
Yes, here you go.
All right. Do you have any kids?
Yes, I do.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
Are your children biological to you?
Yes, they are my biological children.
Where were they born?
They were born in America.
What are their names?
My son's name is Thomas Lee, and my daughter's name is Anna Lee.
Can I see their birth certificates?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Are they currently living with you?
Yes, they are living with me and my husband.
Okay. Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any communist or totalitarian party anywhere in the world?
No, I haven't.
You can just answer yes or no.
Okay.
Since you became a lawful permanent resident, have you called yourself a non-resident alien on a federal, state, or local tax return, or decided not to file a tax return because you considered yourself to be a non-resident?
No.
Have you ever associated with any group anywhere in the world that advocated any of the unlawful damage, injury, or destruction of property?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with, or have you ever provided money, a thing of value, services, or labor, or any other assistance or support to a group that used a weapon or explosive with intent to harm another person or cause damage to property?
No.
What is a weapon?
An object such as a knife, gun, or bomb.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in intentionally and severely injuring or trying to injure any person?
No.
Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, helped, or participated in any military or police unit?
No.
Were you ever a part of any group, or did you ever help any group, unit, or organization that used a weapon against any person or threatened to do so?
No, officer.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined by any law enforcement officer, military official in the US or elsewhere, or immigration official for any reason, or been charged with a crime or offense?
No.
Have you ever engaged in prostitution, attempted to procure or import prostitutes, or persons for the purpose of prostitution, or received any proceeds or money from prostitution?
No.
Have you ever married someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit?
No.
What is an immigration benefit?
Things like a visa, green card, or citizenship.
Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States?
No.
Have you ever been placed in removal, exclusion, rescission, or deportation proceedings?
No.
What is deportation proceedings?
The legal process for deporting a person.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the United States?
No.
Have you ever given any U.S. government officials any information or documentation that was false, fraudulent, or misleading?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government officials to gain entry or admission into the United States, or to gain immigration benefits while in the United States?
No.
Have you ever served in the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes.
What is the Constitution?
It's the supreme law of the land.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I do.
Are you unable to take the oath of allegiance because of a physical or developmental disability or mental impairing?
No.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
What is the oath of allegiance to the United States?
A promise to be loyal to the United States.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
Now, please review the updated application on the tablet and make sure if your information is correct. Then please sign your name at the page below. Great! I also need you to sign the Oath of Allegiance section. Please read it carefully before you sign. Congratulations! You passed the interview.
Thank you very much.
And here's a copy of your test results. You met all your requirements. Now, please go to the third floor to take the oath ceremony.
Thank you, officer.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.